Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel and tonight's video. I'm super excited. Something that we have all been waiting for a very, very long time. Well, not a very, very long time, but about a month now since I've been talking about it. And I know we're all excited about it, especially you, William Danley. I know you're going to like this one. We are currently putting in a certain specific order for some certain specific parts for a certain specific vehicle, which is mine. The Scat Pack is getting a little bit of a boost in some things. We're sitting here gonna play some Fortnite too while we're waiting to download it, and we're also going to put this video up tonight as soon as we get the order in and make sure everything is tip-top shape and get the order in and get it on its way. We're gonna do two separate transactions though, because I want the exhaust here a little sooner. We're gonna get it for the end of the week. Try to anyway. Excuse me. But step one, we're going to be getting our long tube headers from Cooks, and we are going to get the Borla Attack catback system to give it a nastily aggressive tone. I'm so excited to hear what it sounds like. Now, I've heard, video clips online of it, but we all know videos online don't give justice to what it actually sounds like in person. So I'm super excited to see what that sounds like, because it sounds great through video. So I hope it, holds up to par on what the videos sound like in real life. So we're going to go through, we're going to put this order in, and then we're going to be back here in just 2 seconds, and we're going to show you what part 2 of the stuff that we're going to let standard shipping come, because we're getting there. We are getting there, and I'm so excited. So get ready and stay tuned for what the biggest surprise is. I've been talking about this exhaust for a long time, and I have said what it is going to be, but we're going to show putting the order in so that you guys know I wasn't just blowing smoke. And it's going to be an awesome car when it is done, when it is built, and when it is going, like, what it's going to become. I can't wait. Now, this is going to be a very long project, and this is also the intro to what is going to be the long-term Scat Pack build. It is going to be nothing like the Scat Pack. It is going to be nothing like the Hellcat. And the one thing I do want to get across is that when people say, why are you doing all this work to, a Scat Pack when you could have just bought a Hellcat, done a little bit of work, not spend as much money, and, make twice the power I'm going to be making? Well, simple question is, because even if I would have got the Hellcat, I'd have been spending just as much money. Because I'll get to that part then. We'll talk about this in the next clip. So let me put this order in for the exhaust, and we'll come back and show the order for when we're ordering the real go fast goodies. All right, so we got the exhaust and stuff ordered. Well, we got the exhaust ordered. We tried to order part 2, but I'm pretty sure I went over my spending limit for the day, or it's going to exceed my spending limit for the day. So I'm pretty sure I might just have to call the bank and tell them I'm going to be making a rather large purchase. But we'll see here. We're going to see what's going on, and we're going to get anyway, I'll do the spoiler here anyway. It's going to be a set of MMX forged drop-in pistons and rods. And also it is going to be a 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger. It's going to be the complete kit, come with everything I need, except possibly a new fuel pump. It comes with the injectors and all that good stuff. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I know today was kind of a boring little video, just talking, but I wanted to make sure we got it all out there and put on the line. getting them parts in. So the build is starting. Project Scat Pack is going to be underway. I did pay for expedited shipping on the exhaust, so we had more content for you later this week, so we'll be looking forward to that. Anyway, I will be updating more as time progresses and as the build starts to come into play. Now, this is only a small chip off of what is going to be done to this car, because what I was saying earlier about why not just get a Hellcat, no matter what, I'd have been spending this kind of money. I'd have been getting a different blower for the Hellcat regardless. I'd have been getting, you know, the full exhaust regardless. I'd have been getting a new trans regardless. Would have been, spoiler for down the road, I'd have been getting a new motor regardless. I plan on doing a 426 Hemi swap into the car I have now, getting a bigger beefed up trans. I'm not sure which one I would be looking at or want to get yet. Depends on how much power we're making. But yeah, off of that, we're gonna go with a new drive shaft, get a new diff, pretty much build everything, new suspension, new axles, you know, just do from the ground up. I'm not even 100% sure what I want to fully do to this car yet. We are also going, when my buddy Trent in the 370Z, when he goes to get his car wrapped orange, I'm going to be going with him, or he's going to be having the guy that's doing it contact me or give me his number so I can contact him. But I'm going to be getting the Scat wrapped like a teal blue, more like an aquamarine sort of deal. If I had it, hold on, I have a picture of it here on my phone. But that's what the current plan is for the build. It's going to take a long time. It's not going to happen, you know, quickly. But I wanted to get some more power down to the ground, so we're going on a light supercharger build, getting the pistons and the rods in this motor, because I want to take this motor as far as it can go, or at least put about, you know, 10,000 miles on it or more, maybe 20,000 miles on it before we decide to go and get the new motor. And if I happen to, you know, throw a rod or break the motor somehow, you know, we might just have to, instead of getting another 392 and putting the parts back in it or salvaging what we can, we might just go with the 426 motor then. Here, hold on a second. That right there is going to be the color of what we're going with the car. So, like I said, a little bit of a spoiler, but I kind of wanted to bring it to you piece by piece, but I just got so excited and I wanted to show you guys that we are ordering the parts and getting things underway. The exhaust, it's on its way. Probably getting shipped out tomorrow. I hope so. Gonna figure out what's going on with the bank so we can get the supercharger and the pistons ordered. But I'm super stoked, and I just want to thank everybody for coming out, hanging out. Hope y'all enjoyed this video and all the information. I know it was a kind of boring one, but guess what? There's lots of fun, cool stuff coming on later on in the you know, the coming year. So I hope y'all are enjoying it. Hope y'all enjoy it. Comment down below what you think. If anything else you would suggest. But anyway, we're gonna tap out for tonight, and hope you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. Catch you later.